Welcome to London Self-Defense Academy. We are a leading provider of self-defense courses for corporate companies, state schools and private schools. We also provide teaching courses for 50 and over.
So in a real life situation, you're not going to have much time to plan, you're going to need to use whatever's to hand. In this scenario, I've got an umbrella and I'm just going to use it again to keep that space to deflect anything coming my way.
If someone is punching you in the face, you don't want to just be standing there. You use the umbrella, you hook that to the elbow, okay? And then you turn this under into a nice lock. Now you always have to watch out for the other hand, okay? So we're not just standing there trying to do the technique and then get in the face. What we're doing is we're covering, always covering the face, yeah? So we get there, covering here, okay? The elbow, even if he punches me, it's not gonna be much. He's not gonna have time to think about punching me in the ribs. So now we end up on the outside. Again, punch in the face, stepping to the side, and just getting down there. So the next technique applies if someone has got, for instance, bottle or got a little stick. So they're trying to hook you in the head. Oh my God, okay? You don't wanna stand there. You just wanna duck down. And you've got your nice striking position in here. So you can hook them under, get into the growing area, pull, and trust me, they're not gonna want to be in that situation. So the next technique, we have to be sure that we do this slowly because it's quite dangerous. So I'm using the umbrella to strike, to actually connect with the punch. And then I'm stepping slightly bit behind while hooking his neck. Okay, now when I have that, he's got absolutely nothing. What I can do in here is then throw him over my head.